All right, so for question 7a, they have given us this diagram here and asked us to calculate angle BAC. So how do we calculate angle BAC? So this is the angle we are looking for. So how do we work out which method are we supposed to use here? We are supposed to use the cosine rule. So for the cosine rule, the formula goes a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Okay, so this is the formula we are expected to use. So we can label right here. This is our small letter a, okay, small letter b right here, and a small letter c. Hopefully you're able to see small letter a opposite with small letter a, c opposite with the small letter c, b with the small letter b. So now, since we have those things, we can plug in our formula. So what is our a? It's a 300. We put power 2 there. Our b is 45. C is 275. Here 2. Over here we put 3. What are we supposed to put? It's 45. 45. This is 45. And here 275 cos A. So you just plug in, okay, the values. You can see they were put here. So if we say 300 squared, we are getting 90,000. Okay. Then here when we say 45 squared, what are we getting? We're getting 2025 plus here, what are we getting there? We are getting 75625 minus over here, what are we getting when you multiply 2 times 45 times 275? We are getting 24750 there, cos A. So now here we can copy what is here. We work out what is here. So which is 2025 plus 75625. We're getting this over here. So this is what we are getting. So at this point we can group the like terms. So we have 90,000 minus 77650 is equal to negative 24750 cos A. Okay, so here when we subtract, what are we getting? We're getting 12350 is equal to negative 24750 cos A. So we divide. So we have cos A, this side we have cos A is equal to negative 0.4 0.9898989 right here. So now we can apply the idea of a cos inverse. So once we say cos inverse, this cos will remain. So find the cos inverse of negative 0.498989899. So what is our A? Our A will simply be equal to 119.331947. So angle A, we can say BAC, okay, is equal to, okay, this is our answer, okay. So we have answered this question. We can go to the next question where they want us to find the area. So for the area, let me do this. For the area right here, we are going to use the formula, okay. So formulas, knowing the formulas is very important on this topic, which is trigonometry. So for question 2, where they want us to find the area, we're simply going to say area of a non-right angle triangle is equal to, looking at how the diagram is, because here we have found the angle to be equal to what I've put there. So I will say B C sine A, okay. So for the area, you can put any letters, but this is the arrangement. The angle A, which we're going to use here, and the side here is B, and the other side is what? C. So we'll say B is 45 times C 275 times sine 119.9. So here now we can punch on our calculator. There, 1 multiplied by 45 times 275, okay, times sine 119.9. We're getting something like this. This is what we were getting. So we say divide by 2. Divide by 2. We are getting 5,363.92 3634. So this must be meter squared, or we round it off to 3 significant figures. So this is the solution right here. We go to the next question where they want us to find the shortest distance. So for the shortest distance, we are going to use the formula for finding a right angled area of the right angle triangle. We say area, and actually this is the number 3, Roman numerals 3. Area is equal to half multiplied by B by H, okay. So this area, we just found the area to be equal to this is the area we just found from our previous question. So we're going to put it at A, and here our B will be 300, because they're saying the shortest distance from here to here. So where it is touching BC will be our B times H. We solve for we make H, or we're solving for H. So this is how it will look like. We have this, when we say 2 into 300, it's 150. So 150, divide it through here. We have H will be equal to, remain with H. So when you say 5360 divide by 150, we are getting 35.73333 and 3. So we can even say meters. Rounding this to 3 significant figures, so we have this is the solution. Okay, so question B, 7B, because this is question 7A. For 7B, they are saying solve. Okay, so we need to solve cos what? Cos theta is equal to negative 0.5, and they have given us the range, which is from 180 theta there to 360. So we need to understand where the solution is falling. So you do like this for you to understand. This is a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So how do you tell where the solution is falling? Okay, so you get your calculator. Actually, before you even get your calculator, you understand where the solution is falling. So this is 180 and this is 360 degrees. So meaning the solution must be from here to here. That's where the solution must be. Okay, from here to here. So this is you can use the mnemonics like, oh, student, take calculus. So here cos is positive, here it's negative, here it's negative. So our solution must be where I'm putting a minus, or here it's positive. This is positive, negative, negative, positive for cos. Okay, so meaning our answer will be somewhere here. This is where our answer will be. So we're going to say cos inverse over negative 0.5. So cos inverse, let me write here, cos inverse over negative 0.5. What are we getting? We're getting 120 degrees. So we're getting 120 degrees. So this 120 is somewhere here. Okay, is somewhere here. Okay, so what is it that is remaining here from 120 to 180? Okay, 120 to 180 is a 60. So it's a 60 degrees. That's a difference. Or if you want, you can just say, you can forget about the negative so that you find from 0 to 0.5, which is 60 somewhere here. So now this 60, you come and add it to 180. So you say 180 degrees plus 60 degrees. So 180 plus 60, we are getting a 240 degrees. So this is our solution. Our solution here is 240 degrees. We go to the next question. The next question over here, they want us to simplify. Okay, so let me copy the expression the way it looks. So for question C, this is question C. We can start by simplifying here. We know that 2 can go into 18. That's 9. Here A squared B into 16. 2 into 16, it's 8. Here we have C power 3 D power 2. Plus, here since it's multiplication, If you want, we can multiply, or if you want, we can reduce. 2 into 24, it's 12. Okay, into, okay, so we write this the way it looks, and okay, here it's 12. 2 into 30 is 15. C will go, C here will remain with C. A will go, A here will have A squared. What else? What else do we need? That's all. So this A, we're not going to write it. We'll write C because there's 12. This A has disappeared. And there's 12 over here. Over here, there's a 15. B. Actually, this C was not supposed to be here. Okay, it has disappeared. Times 8. Here we have a C. D power 2. Over here we have 15. A squared B. Okay, so now we can copy what is here. We can copy plus. We now multiply 12 by 8. So what is 12? 12 by 8. We're getting 96 CD squared. Over here 15 by 15. 225 A squared B power 4. So we have this. Now at this stage, we can find the common denominator. What's the common denominator here? The common denominator here will be 1080, 100 C power 3 D power 2 A power 2 B power 4. So this is our common denominator. So if we say this stuff into this and this will cancel, will remain with the, let me write something here, will remain with 2, 2, 5, okay, A squared B power 4. In short, you just get this multiplied by what is here, plus this right here will remain with the, okay, this, okay, goes with that. Okay, and here, meaning you get this multiplied by this, which is 8 C power 3 D power 2. Okay, so now at this point, we can distribute. So 9 times 9 times 9 is it 96? Yeah, it's 9. 9 times 250 225. The number here, it's 2025. A squared by A squared is A to the power 4. B by B to the power 4, it's B to the power 5. Plus 96 times 8. So 96 times 8, we are getting 768. C multiplied by C power 3, it's C power 4. D squared multiplied by D squared, it just give us a D to the power 4 over this right here. Okay, so this is our solution. We end right here.